Alright DIYers, I tiled in, now I tile out, and I'm able to adjust it to my aluminium. So we'll slap some glue out. I've done my cut already just to speed things up a little. I'm using a 15mm trowel. I didn't waterproof this job, but the waterproofer has waterproofed it for the owners. They got him in before me, and he's used a 15mm aluminium strip and a 15mm notch trowel. Works ideal. Right, so we'll just zap along there, get the edge glue away. Here are some clips. There's just one I prepared earlier. This is going to look pretty nice. It's I'm doing the same tile on the walls as well. It's a real sandstone-y effect. So it's cool. Right, we have a plain one. No fancy cuts. Arr. Nice. Well, I didn't need that one anyway. Sometimes they've got to split the clips and you don't know until you put pressure on them. That's all right. Right. Bit more glue. I haven't got my glue super runny. It's a little bit stiffer because I'm trying to keep it up so I stay flush with that aluminium, because I'm kneeling on it. if I'm laying a large floor, I wouldn't have it this stiff. You'd wear yourself out spreading glue. Some of the family have just arrived home, so it's all, everyone's talking in the background. Right, does my cut fit? Put in your clips and let's see. Get your glue away from the edge. DIYs. Like that. And down we go. I like it. I like it a lot. Bring that one down. Flip it up. I like the softer clip because you do it all by hand. You're not reaching for your squeegee, you know, the thing that squeezes them together. No, too slow. Voila. Okay, I'm gonna lay this little area so I can line up through and then carry on in my laundry. Okay, see you soon.